Hello everyone. Welcome back to Smart AI Lab. In today's video, we are going to explore some powerful AI tools that can help students study faster, complete assignments quickly, and save hours of work. Let's get started. Number 1. WhisperFlow. WhisperFlow is an AI voice typing tool that converts your speech into clean and accurate text instantly. Students can simply speak their ideas, notes, or assignments, and the tool will turn them into written text. This is perfect for students who want to write faster without typing everything manually. Number 2. Comet AI. Comet is an AI-powered browser that helps students research faster. Instead of opening many tabs, Comet can summarize websites, answer questions, and help you find information quickly. It makes studying and research much easier. Number 3. Scouts is an AI discovery tool that helps students find useful resources and tools online. If you are looking for study materials, ideas, or learning resources, Scouts can help you discover them quickly. Number 4. Replit Design. Replit Design is a powerful AI tool for students who want to learn coding or build projects. With AI assistance, students can generate code, design apps, and create websites even if they are beginners. Number 5. Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield is an advanced AI tool that helps you create realistic videos and visuals using artificial intelligence. Students can use it for presentations, creative projects, or digital storytelling. So these were some of the best AI tools students should try in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Smart AI Lab for more AI tools and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.